Look, they are given 3a plus 2b. 3a plus 2b. Can we add this to 3a and 2b? Can we add? Can we add? Huh? Why? Because the both in expression, the both term is different term, isn't it? One is 3a, another one is 3b. So these are not like term. These are not like term. Clear? These are not like term. This is A, this is B. These are not like term. That's why we cannot add. Can we add? Huh? We cannot this expression because these are not like term. That is, there is A, there is B. So you cannot add these two. They are given simplest form, right? 5. Can we add 5? Can we add these two? No, we cannot add. So what will be the correct simplest form? The correct simplest form is as it is. See, 3a and 2b. 3a plus 2b. There will be 3a, 2b. So you write down here 3a plus 2b.